So I just stumbled upon the Claude cookbooks, and they're packed with code snippets for using Claude. It's like a recipe book for developers.
Oh, I know. It's fascinating how it breaks down complex code into simple steps, makes integrating Claude way easier.
Right, but what struck me was the prerequisite part about needing an API key. Like, what if someone is just starting out?
That makes total sense. But the good news is you can sign up for a free key. It lowers the entry barrier for new developers.
True, but I wonder if they address the learning curve for the API itself. I mean, not everyone is a programming whiz.
Good point. They actually recommend starting with a fundamentals course. That's a solid way to ease into things.
It's like building a house. You need a good foundation before you start throwing up walls, right?
Exactly. And the cookbook also covers various skills like classification and retrieval augmented generation. That's pretty advanced.
Wait, retrieval augmented generation. That sounds like it could really enhance what Claude can do.
Totally. It means Claude can pull in external knowledge to give better responses. Kind of like having a supercharged assistant.
But doesn't that raise concerns about data accuracy? If it's pulling from the web, how do we ensure it's reliable?
That's a crucial question. There's definitely a risk of misinformation. They need solid guidelines on how to source data.
And it makes me think about third-party integrations. They have links to tools like Pinecone and Wikipedia. What's the catch there?
Well, while those integrations are powerful, they also introduce dependencies. If one service goes down, that could affect everything.
Right, and then there's the issue of user privacy when pulling data from external sources. That's a hot topic.
Absolutely. Developers need to be aware of compliance and privacy laws when integrating these features. It's a minefield.
Speaking of integrations, have you seen the section on multimodal capabilities? That's where it really gets interesting.
Oh yes, using Claude with images and interpreting charts. That opens up a whole new dimension for AI applications.
But here's where it gets tricky. How do you train an AI to interpret visual data? Isn't that a whole different ballgame?
It really is. Training AI for vision requires different datasets and techniques. It's not plug and play by any means.
So it's like trying to teach a chef to be a painter, different skills, different tools.
Exactly. And then there's the advanced techniques section. It mentions things like automated evaluations and moderation filters.
Automated evaluations, I can't help but think how subjective that can be. What if the AI misses nuances?
That's a valid concern. AI is great, but it still lacks human intuition. There's potential for misjudgment.
And moderation filters, they sound essential, but what if the AI misinterprets content?
Exactly. Misinterpretation could lead to censoring valuable content or missing harmful material. It's a balancing act.
I love how the community can contribute too. It's like open source, right? But how do we avoid chaos?
Good question. They encourage reviewing existing contributions first. That's a smart way to maintain quality.
Yeah, but how do they ensure quality control? What's to stop someone from adding incorrect info?
That's a challenge. Peer review systems can help, but even those have flaws. It's a complex problem.
So, what do you think is the most exciting takeaway from these cookbooks?
I'd say the broad range of skills. It reflects the versatility of AI, but it does come with caveats as we discussed.
Absolutely, there's so much potential here, but also a lot we need to navigate carefully. I'm curious how this will evolve.
Same, it's a fascinating time for AI development. I can't wait to see what innovations come next.
And it makes me wonder about the ethical implications of all this. We're at a crossroads.
For sure, the balance between innovation and responsibility is delicate. It's a conversation we need to keep having.
So true, and as more people dive into these tools, the landscape could really shift.
Exactly. It's about harnessing potential while being mindful of the risks involved.
That's a good way to wrap this up. There's so much to think about as we move forward.
Absolutely. Let's keep exploring these topics together. There's always more to discover.